Hello guys, today we're going to be reviewing SANSUI 34-inch gaming monitor that you pick up on Amazon. So just as a quick review, we're going to check it out. It's on sale right now for $199, so I really recommend you guys checking it out. So we're going to be opening this here. I like the packaging. It's one thing. Look at that. Very nice, well protected. Wow, look at that. It is a nice screen. I'm just gonna assemble this. That's how big the monitor is. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Let's go and check to see what else is in here. Alright, comes with the power cable.
Just basic wallpapers, so you can see how it looks with everything, all the colors and everything. Compared to just this monitor, it's a lot more vibrant.
Follow-up review playing RD2 in surround mode on triple 34-inch monitors. It's great. These monitors are worth every penny. Every penny.
Okay, so I purchased this SANSUI, and I hope that's how you pronounce it, 34-inch curved monitor on Amazon. I loved it so much that I bought two. It is brilliant. It is very clear. The images are great. It's so easy to plug and play. I would definitely recommend this monitor to anyone.
Georgie.
It tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the